Hi, in this video, we're going to be reviewing this Bird Rock home filing cabinet system, organization document file cabinet thing, and I linked it up in the description down below along with other resources and things you may want to purchase for your purchasing convenience. Real quick, if you're new here, my name's James. I'm a grateful recovering addict and alcoholic. I drank and used for 20 years and I've been recovering for 3.5. I post videos here weekly on sobriety recovery, everything in between, as well as product reviews and Abby adventures. This is Abby the Foodle. She's never been on the table. She shouldn't be on the table. Let's get on with the video. Alrighty, like I said, I'm here every week. I talk about various topics on life hacks. Stop by, subscribe, click subscribe down below, and come back. I'm here every week. This week, let's get this thing out of the box. Abracadizzle. All right, well, I got the dark, I like dark mahogany type rich colors, so I got that. As you can see, it's on castors and it is around the size that I need to file my stuff. Now, where I am happy with the overall appearance, seems sturdy and convenient and stylish. I'm kind of disappointed, frankly, that there's no filing folders, manila folders or whatever you want to call it. I gotta go to Office Max now and get that. I was under the impression, but buyer beware, that was my fault. That was my fault that I didn't read into it. Overall, let's do a quick summary of what this product's all about. Perfectly store your important documents, avoid the typical eyesore of a metal file cabinet. Also stores other household items, pillows, throws, magazines, blankets, kid toys, pet toys, etc. Holds letter-sized and legal-sized hanging files. Exterior dimensions 18 inches by 15 inches by 14 inches. Interior 17 by 12 by 11. You know what? Let's run to Office Max right now and get those filing things. And I'll be back. Abracadizzle!
We're gonna be right back, Abby. We're gonna be right back.
Alright, here we are at your local office supply store. Pouring rain. I'm gonna go with the expandable 2-inch expansion, except that one has 3 color-coded, which I like. This one has 5 expandable color-coded, so we're gonna get these. I'm just gonna kind of cross my fingers and hope that they fit. There it is. Go.
Oh, that girl. Oh, that girl. Yeah. I scared her. There's that girl. You miss us? You miss? Oh, you missed us. You missed us.
All right, here we are back after a monsoon downpour surge of water. I got these. I'm gonna go ahead and link similar products down below of the right size. I've already verified that they fit. I'm gonna link it up down below in the description. If you're on your phone, you gotta hit that drop down arrow. Link up. Everything you see here, you can buy down there in the description. I'm gonna set these up, file a couple of my files, car, home, taxes, things of this nature, wrap it up and say goodbye. So let's get to it. Well, I'm losing light because apparently there's a typhoon or something outside, but they come color-coded. They also have these tabs that I'm going to organize when I turn the lights on and all that. I'm just gonna go ahead and say taxes in blue because tax season makes me feel blue. This is, my home is tan colored. Gonna put my home in the tan color. And car, let's do purple. They're expandable, and it looks like I'm going to have a fairly easy time going through all my files, which are now scattered all over my house, and finding a perfectly stylish box to put them in. Question of the day: what do you use to file? Do you like this? Do you not like it? Do you have something similar? Do you lock your files? Leave it in the comments down below. You have to scroll all the way down to the bottom if you're on your phone to comment. Also, share this video, help me out, get the message out there about, like I said, my channel is on sobriety and recovery and everything in between, along with random products for your purchasing convenience. All these links are down there in the description below, and until next time, keep it clean, keep it real, and keep doing the damn thing.